Hello everyone. Hello grade 5B. How are you? Hope you all well. So this morning we will be answering or explaining your answer from the homework that I made yesterday. But some of you didn't yet pass the homework or submit, but still you can still pass or submit or take the test. I'm still waiting for it. Okay? So I choose Manita because she got the highest score out of 11. She got 10. Okay, so I'll be explaining one by one of each question. So number one, uh, last time we talked about area, and it says here that it is the number of square units required to cover a surface or region. It has a question of true or false, and she answered true, and that's correct. Very good, Manita. So again, don't forget that area is a number of square units, okay, or a number of square units that cover a surface or region wherein it can be in a mass or sorry in a place or a land or even in your position. Okay, that is your area, meaning your property. Okay, so it's a covered or surface of region. Number two, so she got wrong here, but it doesn't matter because I'm still explaining this one. This red one says here it's wrong, and the green one is the correct answer. Blank, or this is a type of amount of matter that occupies. Okay, um, last time, or I don't know when did I give you the topic about volume. It comes with the area, but volume must be occupy all the spaces inside of that object. So just for example, water, if you fill in the plastic bottle with water, it will occupy all the spaces of that water, especially if you make it full, right? It doesn't give any spaces in the bottom of the plastic bottle, or even in at the middle, because it will occupy all the spaces in there. Okay, next one. It is a measure of the amount of matter of an object. What is this? Yeah, she got the correct answer, and it is a mass. So mass, don't always remember that it's a measure of the amount of matter of an object. So as we said, matter is anything that occupies space and has a mass. So basically, matter is anything, right? Because everything is made up of matter, and everything has a mass. Number 3 or number 4, question number 4. What is the difference between mass and weight? So she answered here, mass is used to know, and it's bigger if it is bigger than or smaller than. And weight is used to measure the weight. So put it correct because it still makes sense, because mass is, you can actually specify if that object is bigger or smaller because of their mass, or you can say that mass of that object is greater than or less than, just for example, a plastic bottle and a pillow, which has a great mass. Of course, the pillow, or because it's bigger than the plastic bottle, and the plastic bottle is lighter than the pillow. And of course, weight, it affects by the gravity. Okay, don't be confused that when mass doesn't affect the gravity, and weight it affects. Okay, next question number 5. Density is the measure of how compact mass is and where mass is compared to volume. If it is true or false, then she answered true, and that's correct. So density, as I said, density is the amount of matter of an object. Okay, you can say that stone is denser than the plastic bottle because stone has a compact mass than the plastic bottle. And if you're gonna throw both together in a surface of water, what will sink is the stone, because stone is denser, okay, or heavier in compared in mass rather than the plastic bottle. If you have any question for this, you can just message me or comment below. Next one, do you think hot air balloon will float in Mars atmosphere? And the answer is correct. Yeah, it's true. Why? Because mass or atmosphere in Mars is quite the same of the Earth. However, Mars is kind of hotter than the Earth, but it doesn't it doesn't affect the hot air balloon, because it doesn't affect by the heat or even cold. But if you probably put the hot air balloon in Jupiter, we know that Jupiter is a what do you call this one? It has no surface than the Mars, because it is a because Jupiter is a gas planet, but it has a core. So balloon will actually float in there, but it might be not be like satis- successful, because it's so the atmosphere of that Jupiter is maybe in a greater level than the Mars. And last one is physical property has a characteristics that can be observed or measured without changing the type of matter. So the answer is true. Okay, again, physical property will not change the type of matter. Just for example, if you tear the paper into half, it's still paper. If you fold the paper into half, it's still paper. So it comes with a physical property. It doesn't change the matter or the physical type of matter. But in terms of chemical change, if you're gonna burn the paper, so it will turn to ashes, then it will not be considered as physical property anymore. Right? So have a nice day, and hope to see you all soon, very very soon. Thank you so much. God bless you.